So you know what this means? Battery in a gas tank. We're gonna do something that a lot of you guys have been asking me to do for quite some time. And we're gonna do some cold starts. Well, just one. But we're not gonna pick one of these easy cars that have interior or even a pre-built derby car. What we're gonna cold start is this mangled up derby car. So as you can see, there's no footprints up to it at all. And I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty beat. As you can see, it's pretty much been a dumpster for the last 4 months. And it's definitely rough. So let's get the hood open and see if we can do a cold start to this. So we just got the hood open, and as you can see, this thing has definitely not been ran in a while. And as a little added surprise, that's right, the header has been missing. It's actually was on there for most of the fall in the early winter. So all those holes are actually filled up with ice, and now it's filled up with snow. So this is going to be cold start. Now it is a manual, and I am not sure if this thing is in gear or not. So we'll find that when we go to start it. We have to introduce fuel, we have to introduce battery, and we have to introduce computer. So let's go get all those items and get going.
Wait, we need ether.
Okay, go get some ether.
Or brake clean.
Don't be doing that yet.
I'm giving her some intake heat. Did you say fire on video?
No. Tree catches out. Like that. Yep, we got power. I got it.
Get over here so we can run over
Okay.
the cylinder.
So let's see if she's in gear. What's up in there?
Ether!
No, okay, let's try
Watch out,
this.
Chris. It wants ether.
It just needs fuel.
No, it wants ether!
It just needs fuel.
I think it needs to start on ether first.
Alright, then try the ether if you really want it that bad.
I want to.
Okay, you ready?
That.
You're in gear. You're in gear. I'm in gear. You're in gear. Why does it keep going back to gear?
That's sketchy. It's going to go in gear and it's running.
Okay, let's try this. Okay, you hold the starter button and I'll do the ether.
No, I'm doing the ether.
You're terrified of ether. Go
I'm not terrified of ether. Okay, I'll ether.
No, you gotta go
Start it.
Jesus. To Jesus. Do we have fuel at all or no?
No, fuel pump isn't even on.
Okay, let's try to get some fuel.
Holy fuel, we need ether.
Let me see the ether.
Bring fuel. The zacks is gonna fucking suck. Well, I guess we didn't even open the fucking throttle. Here, let's put fuel to it. Just kidding.
Well, this was a good motor.
Okay. Yeah. Positive. Negative. Oh wait, we gotta tighten that clamp like the littlest bit. I shoved it on like all the way.
Okay, try that. Nice, we need ground.
Back, we need ground.
Okay.
Wait. Ah!
Jesse, go tighten that clamp! Sounds like gear.
It really sounds. Must be something. You can just pry that in there behind that threaded rod or something. Wait. Hit it? No, hit it. Just hit it by a second.
Okay, give her some fuel on the throttle.
We don't have fuel.
On the throttle.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Doesn't seem like we have spark for some strange reason.
No.
Computer's fucked now. Need the computer has some ground.
I thought it turned off.
Nope, I've just turned it on. Okay, so you ready? Give us a little bit of gas.
Computer's not on anymore. Hey guys, one car. Oh, no. Fire check's working.
This video sucks.
Next.
Warm up. Okay, grab the battery then. Actually, just let it charge for a bit and I'll make a different video because this one sucks. I think it's just a little bit too cold and I think this car is just a little bit too gone to do a cold start. Sitting without a header all fall, all the exhaust ports filled up with ice, the whole car filled with scrap. I just think a cold start was too much for this old girl. Oh well, I tried, guys. Thanks for watching Zach's Workshop. We'll see you back here tomorrow.